Today, I will show you how to use table in Microsoft Excel. Table is a handy tool for analyzing and organizing data for work and more. Once you've got your table, you can quickly sort, format, and make it look great without any hassle. So without further ado, let's get started. First, highlight the cells you want to add to your tables and then go to Home, then click on Format as Table. As you can see, there are various options of tables here and you can choose any style that you like. Or if there isn't one that suits you, you can click on New Table Style. After you choose the style that you like, you will have this pop-up, and if your cells include headings, then check this My Table has headers box, then click on OK. And there you have it, your cells have now been turned into a table. If you decide to add something in a formatted data table, that's no problem at all. Let's say we want to add data for June, so we type June in the column F and press Enter. Now the data table has been expanded and we can comfortably add the data for June. It also works the same with rows. Let's say we want to add a mouse to this item's data. All you need to do is type it in, then click Enter. After that, you can input your data. Here's an important thing to remember. Because we use the function Format as Table, Excel opens a new tab on the ribbon which says Table Design. And it's available only when you click into the table like this. Now let's take a look at the Table Design tab. First, we will go through the option of changing color styles. Simply click on this button on the right in Table Styles and then pick whichever style you want. We can now try the yellow one and switch back to the orange one again. Now let's move on to these drop-down buttons in the header. With this button, you can conveniently sort the data in the table. For example, we can sort the MME values from smallest to largest or vice versa. We can also filter data out. For instance, we want to see only the data for laptop and phone. After you tick off the boxes that you needed, press on OK and there you have it, your laptop and phone data. And if you want to see all the data again, click on the filter button one more time and click on Clear Filter from Name. Now all the data appear in the table again. You can also disable the filter buttons in the table or enable them again by any time. And to do that, we have to go to the Table Design option. And to show the filter buttons, you need to keep the option filter button up here selected. If you unselect the box like this, the buttons will disappear. Another feature which is also super useful is Total Row. If you tick the box, a row will be added at the end of the table to show the total for a column. If you click on the cell, there's a drop-down button which offers other functions. And after clicking that button, we can choose from average, count values, maximum value or minimum value, and many others. And of course, you can choose any function for any column according to what you need. So let's say we'll go for average here. And then here we'll put count. And here, for example, we put max. Or we can simply copy one function to the rest of the columns through dragging the bottom right-hand corner of the cell containing the function. And that's it. The total row now shows the sum in all columns of our data table. But if you don't need to show the calculations in the last row, simply untick the option total row and everything will disappear right away. Now let's check out the other features. The option header row turns on or off the header. First column will highlight the data in the first column in bold. Last column option does the same but in the last column of the data table instead of the first one. The option banded rows highlights every other row in the table for better orientation. Banded columns, on the other hand, highlights every other column. And that's all about tables. Don't forget to practice it at home. Give this video likes, comments if you have any questions, and share it with your friends if you find this video helpful. Also, subscribe to the channel for more video tutorial like this. See you in another video!